Kit, you're grounded for 10 years. Now go to your room.
Boo-hoo. Wah-wah. Boo-hoo. Y'all.
Caillou, how dare you ground my brother Kit? That's it. I'm calling your parents right now.
Oh no!
Caillou, I just got a call from Kit and Kate's parents. And how dare you ground Kit? Tell me the truth now.
Yes, I did. I'm sorry.
Apology not accepted. You're grounded for 24 hours. Now go to bed.
Washington, 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 Washington. Kate, you're grounded for 11 years. Now go to your room.
Boo-hoo-hoo. Wah-wah. Boo-hoo. Yo. Wah.
Oh no! It's Kit.
Caillou, how dare you ground my sister Kate? That's it. I'm calling your parents right now.
Caillou, how dare you ground Kate? From Kit and Kate, that's it. You're grounded for 14 years. Now go to your room.
Why?